Welcome to this moment of stillness. As the sun rises, so does the light within you. Close your eyes and feel the gentle breeze on your skin. This is your space to breathe. Breathe to let go and to connect deeply with your soul. There is no need to rush. Simply allow yourself to be fully present. Take a deep breath in, drawing in peace and clarity. Hold it for a moment, then release, allowing any tension to melt away. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming more grounded, more centered. Continue to breathe deeply, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Feel the earth supporting you with each exhale, releasing any stress or worries you've been carrying. With each inhale, you are welcoming calmness and inner stillness. Now, visualize yourself standing in a peaceful forest. The ground beneath you is soft, and the air is fresh and cool. You can hear the rustling of leaves as the wind gently moves through the trees. Feel the sunlight as it filters through the branches, warming your skin. Take a moment to walk slowly through this serene landscape. Notice the vibrant colors around you, the smell of the earth, and the peaceful sounds of nature. You are completely safe and at peace in this place. With each step, you become more aware of the present moment, fully connected to the earth and the peaceful energy surrounding you. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your heart center. Feel the warmth and energy expanding. In this moment, affirm to yourself, I am at was. I am deeply connected to my inner self. I trust the journey of my soul. Repeat these affirmations in your mind or aloud, letting them resonate within your heart. Now, return to your breath. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter, as though you are floating on the breeze. In this stillness, simply be. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix. Allow yourself to rest in the silence, letting peace and stillness fill every part of your being. As we come to the close of this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for this time of stillness and self-care. Thank yourself for allowing this space of peace and reflection. Carry this serenity with you throughout your day, knowing that you are always supported by the universe. Whenever you need, this peaceful place is within you, ready to welcome you back. Thank you for joining today's meditation. Take this serenity with you, and remember, peace is always within reach.